Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Thursday, May 15th, 2025. Fabric introduces Signal Boost as a path to synchronous composability. Coinbase suffers a data breach. Obol introduces the Obol stack. And Privacy Pools pauses deposits. All this and more starts right now. Fabric, a collaborative initiative focused on standardizing rollup infrastructure, introduced Signal Boost, a proposed mechanism that enables Ethereum rollups to access Layer 1 data in real time. Designed to be sequencer agnostic, Signal Boost works with both existing rollups that use a dedicated sequencer and based rollups without requiring any changes in their underlying stacks. The sequencer collects read-only Layer 1 queries, executes them, hashes the results into a Merkle tree, and publishes the root to a Signal service contract on a Layer 1. The root is then included in the Layer 2 block, allowing Layer 2 contracts to verify Layer 1 data using Merkle proofs. Signal Boost enables real-time, same-slot access to arbitrary Layer 1 data from Layer 2 contracts, supporting use cases like instant deposits, live Oracle reads, and atomic cross-chain transactions. Coinbase disclosed a data breach involving its overseas customer support operations, where a small group of employees were bribed to leak customer data. Exposed information included full names, addresses, phone numbers, emails, partial social security and bank account numbers, government ID images, and account data. The attackers demanded a $20 million ransom, which Coinbase refused to pay. Instead, Coinbase launched a $20 million bounty for information, leading to the attackers' conviction. Coinbase notified affected users, fewer than 1% of its 100+ million customers, and has committed to reimbursing those who have lost funds. Obol Network introduced the Obol Stack, a modular plug-and-play framework for building, distributing, and running decentralized applications and infrastructure. Leveraging Kubernetes and Helm, the Obol Stack brings scalable, composable, and accessible enterprise-grade software delivery to the Ethereum ecosystem. Networks and developers can now package and distribute systems, while node operators can discover and run them to earn rewards. Obol Network is a distributed validator protocol, securing over $1 billion in staked ETH across its validators. It is also the first protocol to go live on Tally staking with ST Obol tokens. And lastly, Privacy Pools, an on-chain privacy protocol leveraging zero-knowledge proofs for private token transfers, has temporarily paused new deposits following the discovery of a bug affecting two user transactions. The issue occurred when two deposits were made back-to-back, causing the reuse of the same pre-commitment hash. The bug led to duplicate nullifiers, which are necessary for withdrawal, rendering the affected deposits permanently stuck. Only two deposits were impacted, totaling 0.2 Ether. The Privacy Pools team has reimbursed the affected users. All other funds in the contract are not affected, and users can still withdraw or exit. A smart contract fix is being implemented to prevent the issue from recurring. In other news, Optimism distributes 1.3 million OP tokens in retroactive funding, and liquidity providers for the Fluid DEX suffer losses. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.